It's 4:30 a.m. right now. I have no makeup on. I am not dressed up well for this YouTube video at all. I'm not like how I want to be dressed, but I'm here to talk about how quitting social media, quitting Instagram has changed me in the past 2 weeks as a human being. And I can understand it's not a very big time frame that has passed, but it is a significant time that has passed. And since I am committed to my decision, I think I'm confident enough to talk about it in front of a platform like YouTube and put it out there, since I know I am not going to be coming back. But प्लीज़ फील फ्री टू ड्रॉप योर सजेशंस इन द कमेंट्स, बिकॉज मैं इसको एडिट करके अपने एग्ज़ाम्स के बाद अपलोड करने वाली हूँ. आई एम इन द मिडल ऑफ माई CS executive exams, and it's the reason I'm recording this video at 4:20 a.m. is because I was studying till now. Like, that's my laptop, that's my headphones, iPad, everything. I was studying. Obviously, I'm going to make a very, very detailed video about why I've quit social media, why I'm not returning on Instagram, why I'm gonna be focusing, my full attention will be on YouTube. I will make regular content on YouTube. So putting this video out there will give some sort of push to my brain subconsciously that अब मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी है पब्लिक प्लेटफॉर्म पे. ठीक है, मैं बाद में वीडियो डिलीट कर सकती हूँ, बट आई डोंट वांट टू डू दैट. I'm sorry for the audio quality. I know a mic would have been more preferable. मेरा mic मेरे कमरे में है. My sister is asleep right now, so I don't want to disturb her. But talking about the changes that I have faced and that I'm happy about in the past 2 weeks, I am much more happier. And मेरा चिड़चिड़ापन, my irritability has reduced a lot. Obviously, it doesn't change the fact that I don't reach out for my phone. I reach out for my phone more than ever, but I don't doom scroll. Like, I'll probably spend some time on Snapchat. I'll do some time pass, but that's about it. I go to Pinterest. I take some time on Pinterest. 15 minutes max, 10 minutes, but that's it. Like, that's it. Compared to Instagram that I was opening every 5 minutes throughout my day. So mathematically, yes, I am looking at my phone lesser, but मेरी वो फ़ोन लेके खोलने की habit कम नहीं हुई है. But what has changed is my ability to take everything as an offense has reduced. I have started watching and consuming long form content more. I have the patience to sit and watch a YouTube video. I'm not impatient. I don't want to forward it. I can watch longer content much more easily without getting distracted, which is helping me with my studies also. By the way, that's my class. So yeah, I was studying. But point being, there have been a lot of changes and all of them have been good. Again, not to say social media is bad, you should quit it. Since I quit it, you should also. This is not a motivational video. This is just, I am just documenting my journey, because YouTube as well is social media. But the thing is, at the end of the day, YouTube is still not that bad in my opinion. It's a personal opinion. YouTube has been around for 2 decades, since I was a kid. I mean, I remember watching Lily Singh videos. Like, I'll put up a few videos of hers over here. I have recreated those videos on an iPad with my sister and a few friends. I've made a recreation of those videos because I love making and filming content. I just loved it, especially comedy content. So while I really loved making Instagram content, the biggest issue with me and with my consumption habit was that whatever I was consuming, it was becoming a part of my decision making ability. Like, at the end of the day ऐसा हो रहा था, अगर मैंने किसी को रील्स पे कुछ बोलते हुए सुन लिया, someone that stays in some random place in the world saying something, it was subconsciously forming a part of my opinion. And I'm not interacting with that person on an everyday basis. It's not कि वो मेरा कोई दोस्त है, that person's opinion should form a part of my thought. That should not happen. Hello, why is that happening? Like, whatever I was consuming, it was forming a thought. it was forming an opinion. It was forming something inside my brain. It was taking up space in my brain, and my brain was getting overloaded with shit. That's what was happening. Even if what the other person was saying was probably very messed up, I would still give it space in my subconscious mind. Maybe not consciously, लेकिन subconsciously तो हो जा रहा था मेरे brain में. I got scared. And one day I was not mentally okay, so I just मैंने गुस्से में deactivate किए अपने accounts. लेकिन it turned out to be the best decision of my 24 years of life. And the fact that after a week of not being on the app, I took a permanent stand and call. I will have a time in my life in the next 3, 4, 5 months, 3, 4, 5, 6 years where I will want to come back. But I know I'm capable enough and strong-minded enough to not return. I know because I have made a public commitment, and I'm smart enough to know the fact that if I do so, I will look like a fool, and I am not interested in looking like one. Not to say कि those people जो इंस्टाग्राम पे है वो बुरे हैं या जो कंटेंट बना रहे हैं वो बुरे हैं. नहीं नहीं नहीं, that is not what I'm implying. What I'm trying to say is my consumption habit was taking me to a place whereby I was not able to form original thoughts. You know, the way I'm communicating right now, I might not have been able to do so last month when I was on Instagram. You feel me? Like, it's been more than a month that I left the app. I left it on 12th of April. It's 19th of May today. I would not have been able to make this video with this level of vocabulary and thinking and thought process in April first week or even before that, because I was consuming so much, and I was not creating anything. You know, I believe all humans are meant to create things. Whenever we work or when we do our jobs for which we are paid, we are creating something. हम कुछ output निकाल रहे हैं, right? It is at the end of the day an output जिसके लिए आपको पैसे मिलते हैं. That's the same with content. I think every person should create content, whether it is Instagram, whether it is YouTube. For me personally, I am happy with YouTube. I am not interested in returning back on short form content. And if you're someone that is trying to use lesser social media, you can follow me on my journey. I know the last video जो मैंने post किया था, it was probably in December, but yes, that is really wrong. I'm sorry, I was working in the middle. But thank you so much for watching. If you stuck around till the end, thank you so much. Lots of love. And if you're interested in knowing how this journey goes about, continue to watch these videos, because now I'm gonna be super regular and it's gonna be so exciting, and can't wait to share it online in bits and pieces, of course.